Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing good बच्चों. So today we are going to start a new topic which is very interesting. Its name is noun and related to gender बच्चों. So let's begin students. A naming word noun can be the name of a male, female, living or a non-living thing. They are grouped according to their kinds. Look at the following pictures and read the sentences carefully बच्चों. The lion is majestic. The girl is dancing. The teacher is teaching. The book is on the table. So in sentence first, the name lion is a masculine gender. In sentence 2, the name girl is a feminine gender बच्चों. In sentence 3, the name teacher is a common gender and in sentence 4, the name book is a neuter gender. Thus, we see that there are 4 kinds of gender. In your earlier classes, you have learnt about some masculine and feminine nouns. Let us learn here some more examples बच्चों जिसमें दिए गए हैं masculine, feminine, common and neuter genders के examples के साथ जिसमें हम पढ़ेंगे actor. So, यहाँ पे feminine में बच्चों actress, then nephew, niece, hero, heroine, god, goddess, groom, bride, master, mistress, waiter, waitress, wizard, witch, monk, nun, host, hostess, emperor, empress, poet, poets, manager, manageress and duke, duchess. Like human beings, animals have 2 much genders. Some of them are as under masculine, feminine and masculine, feminine के अंदर कुछ example है like dog, bitch, fox, vixen, gender, geese, ram, eve, bull, cow, cock, hen, drake, duck, drone, bee. Common gender. There are some nouns that can be used either for a male or a female. These nouns falls under the category of common gender बच्चों जिसमें common gender की category में इसको रखा जाता है. So given below is a list of some common genders. Learn them by heart. Teacher, baby, friend, judge, child, patient, doctor, artist, person, principal, student, pupil. So parent, baker, tailor, cousin, pilot, driver, officer, enemy, athlete, orphan, robber, police, thief, designer, detective, singer. Neuter gender. All non-living things which are neither male or a females belongs to neuter gender. Example, non-living things, पेन, पेंसिल, बुक, टेबल, चेयर, बैग एटसेट्रा. क्योंकि ये बच्चों ना तो मस्कुलाइन से बिलोंग करते हैं और ना ही फेमिनाइन से, इसलिए इनको रखा जाता है नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स की कैटेगरी में और ये कहलाते हैं न्यूटर जेंडर. पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर के अंदर बच्चों दिए गए हैं ग्रुप ऑफ ए नाउन अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स काइंड इज नोन एज अ जेंडर डिवीजन. जेंडर्स आर 4 काइंड्स masculine, feminine, neuter and common gender. A common gender is a living thing that fall neither under the male nor female category बच्चों. तो यहाँ पर ये जो पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं बच्चों, you don't forget to remember this. और ये चैप्टर यहीं पर फिनिश होता है. चैप्टर को पढ़ेंगे, रीड आउट करते हुए, समझते हुए. Don't forget to complete the exercise which is related to this chapter बच्चों.